the moment we've all been waiting for. We've heard individuals who have reviewed the books and those who know her personally and all that they've said about her. But it's time we hear from her. That is the author herself, Hajia Samiha Sulleyman. A round of applause. The applause is low. Please, a round of applause. Thank you very much.
He said I shouldn't cry. So I've decided I won't mention my mother's name, because the last time I mentioned her name, I cried. So, distinguished guests, good afternoon. And thanks to Almighty Allah for this day. I am honored to welcome you to the launch of my books, The Morning Birds and Windiya, the Window Girl. Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid, our special guest of honor, for sponsoring most of my publications and joining us today. Your support means the world to us. To all our special guests, I appreciate your presence and acknowledgement. Thank you to everyone who made this event possible. Thank you to my advisors, Agatha Akonomos, Rubaba Muhammad, Akmi Al-Hassan, and Abigail Esinam Adubo. I really appreciate you all. A deep thanks to my Habibi, Lawyer Faisal. For your endless love and support. Your encouragement is a chandelier of light that guides me. To my dad, Alhaji Sulleyman, and my mother, Hajia Zainab Haruna, your love and prayer have shaped my journey. Thank you for nurturing my dreams. Writing books has been a journey filled with joy, reflection, and a deep sense of purpose. An Arab man once said, "Turidu an tas'adu sullamun najah la budda an tata'allam." To climb the ladder of success, you must endure pain. This speaks to the heart of determination and perseverance, qualities that have been integral to my journey. Let me share a story about Windiya, a character close to my heart. Windiya is, and in many ways, a reflection of myself. Her dedication to education and her relentless pursuit of dreams, regardless of the circumstances, mirrors my own experiences. My journey began on my first day in school. I was a little child watching children in my neighborhood go to school each morning. One day, without bathing, I decided to go to school myself. I walked into a nearby school determined to learn. That was the moment my parents realized my passion for education and decided to officially enroll me. This determination, this drive to push forward despite any obstacle has been the cornerstone of my life and my work. As I moved forward in my educational journey, there was another pivotal moment. After completing junior high school, I was placed in Accra High School, but my heart was set on GLIS, Ghana Lebanon Islamic School. I told my father about my desire, and he promised to check if we could afford it. At that time, private schools were way more expensive than government schools. My father visited GLIS, and I guess he loved the school, especially how the girls were dressed. He brought home the receipt from school fees and showed it to me. Then he said something that left me in awe. Their school fees is very expensive and I truly want this school. Be rest assured, you will pay my money back. My jaw dropped and I asked him how I could possibly pay it back. He replied, "You can only pay back by learning hard and coming out with flying colors." Those words stuck with me, especially during my time in senior high school. While in school, I knew I had a debt to pay. I stood by my promise. I made my dad work hard. Today, everything makes sense to me. At every stage of my life, his words have stayed with me, guiding and inspiring me to push forward. I said I won't cry. Where is my daughter, Safura? She told me, "Mommy, are you sure you not cry?" I dedicated this book, Windiya, the Window Girl, to 3 important people in my life: my husband, my father, and my mom. My dad lost his parents, both parents, when he was a child. While he was still a child, sadly, I don't know any of my paternal grandparents. I don't know how he managed to acquire all the knowledge he has, regardless of his situation. During the excitement of new school term, my mom would eagerly rush to the school to settle our school fees promptly. She would playfully remind us, "Let's keep this between us for now," as she delightfully saved the money Dad gave her for the next term. My mother has never been in school, but her dedication beautifully reflects my mom's commitment to ensuring we receive the best education possible. And if you know my siblings, you will see that these parents, we are 6, and none of us did not get both tertiary and then Islamic education. And it takes dedicated parents to raise such amazing kids. And I applaud my parents for that. I truly admire my husband's deep commitment to education, not only for himself, but also followed by Samiha Sulleyman. A spark of adventure glows, a bridge of words put together to help us grow. Through windows of wisdom so wide, we see past full of grace. In every story told is truth about reality that lasts. With Windiya, we learn to see strength, hope, and determination. The wonders of our history that needs to be told. The morning birds, they sing their tune to sympathize with the orphan child. Through stories told and voices, hearts commune. In today's world, with screens so bright 24/7 in the eyes of children, where children see both day and night on screen, evil, indoctrination they consume, negativity so easy to find on screen, but positive stories like Windiya, the Window Girl, Who Pays My Mom, Rabbit Our Kingdom, Jojo and the Toothless Boy, and the Morning Birds can uplift the minds of the young ones. It's our duty, it's our responsibility, it's our role, so clear and true, to bring them tales that helps them through life's journey. Positive books and tales, they share our ways and our beautiful culture, teaching good morals and manners, bright as day. Inspirational characters like King Samad, Queen Safina in Robita Kingdom, Jojo in Jojo and the Toothless Boy, Windiya in Windiya the Window Girl, Mary in the Morning Birds, and not to forget Mami Salah and Mira, both brave and kind, leave their lessons in our mind. The stories we tell bind us near and far, uniting hearts just as we are here. Through each page, our cultures thrive. In every tale told, we stay alive. So let us read, let us learn, let us tell the stories that we know well. So in each tale, a lesson is found, and in each book, we are glory bound. To shape young minds, to help them read, to help them grow, and to help them lead. In every story, plant a seed. Weed negativity, and feed them with positivity. A seed that germinates into love, kindness, hard work, determination, and nobility and creativity. Thank you all for being here today and for making this moment so special. Let's enjoy the rest of the day, and may we continue to find joy and inspiration in the stories we share. Thank you.
Please, another round of applause to her, because she did promise she's not going to cry, but she did. So for me, I always believe that anytime I see her at a book launch, she's yet to disappoint me by not crying. But I'm sure with time, when she passes the baton to the child who was asking, children who ask questions have things they want to look up to. So one day she will be her supporter. That's why she was asking of her. I'm sure very soon it will get to a stage where our author will speak without crying. I don't know whether I can call it a crying author, but that will be. Thank you very much. She's so wonderful.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.